What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. So, a few weeks ago, I made a video on the Chime Credit Builder Card, which is a really unique financial product that allows you to build your credit score without debt or any interest payments at all. And while I did my best in that video to explain how that specific financial tool works, it can definitely get a little bit confusing, and I have received a ton of questions in the comment section of that video asking about the difference between the Credit Builder Card and the regular Chime debit card that comes with your Chime spending account. So today let's take a deeper dive into these two financial tools offered by Chime and talk about the differences between the Chime spending account and the Chime Credit Builder Card, break down what features each of these tools has to offer you, and hopefully give you a better idea of which one you should be using for your everyday purchases. Alright, let's jump right into it. Alright, so first of all, just so we are all on the same page, Chime is an incredibly popular financial technology company that, along with competitors like SoFi, has taken the banking industry by storm by bringing it to a fully online platform that is truly comparable to the most popular national banks, in my opinion. Now, I've talked about Chime in many videos, including a lot of Versus videos, and I even made an entire review on the Chime banking platform a while back, so while some of that information is probably out of date at this point, if you do want a closer look at the Chime platform as a whole, then definitely check out some of those videos. I will also throw in here that regardless of which financial tool you decide to use at the end of this video, Chime is currently offering a $75 sign-up bonus when you open a Chime spending account and receive a qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more. So if you're interested in that, then definitely check out that link down in the description below, and you'll also help support my channel, which I really appreciate, but if you're not feeling it, then that is completely okay. No worries at all. Alright, so with all of that out of the way, what is the main difference between the Chime spending account and the Chime Credit Builder Card, and which one should you be using? Well, essentially, your Chime spending account is going to function like a regular everyday checking account that you've probably had with some kind of bank for a very long time. And whether you currently have a bank account and you're considering switching, or maybe you don't have a bank account at all, the Chime spending account gives you really quick access to your money via their debit card, offers you a bunch of really cool features that we'll talk about later on in the video, and most importantly has no fees at all, which if you've been with a large national bank for a long time, then you're probably tired of paying those ridiculous banking fees. Okay, so we'll talk about the details of the Chime spending account in 1 second, but I want to clarify right off the bat that the Chime Credit Builder Card is an extension of your Chime spending account. So yes, today we do want to decide whether you want to use the Chime debit card or the Chime Credit Builder Card for your regular purchases, but I did just want to clarify right off the bat that it's not that you're deciding between these two accounts, but rather they are going to work in conjunction with each other, and you're simply deciding which card is going to benefit you the most. Okay, so like I said, the Chime spending account has no fees, allows you to round up your purchases to the nearest whole dollar, and will automatically put that money into your Chime savings account, and you can easily link this debit card to other services like Google Pay, Apple Pay, and instantly turn off transactions for both domestic and international purchases right from the Chime app. And on top of all of that, you also have access to the Spot Me feature, which is basically a free overdraft protection, which personally I love. And as long as you're eligible for that, you get that free overdraft protection, and you can get paid up to 2 days early using direct deposit. Plus, you also have access to their network of over 38,000 free-to-use ATMs. Alright, so that's a really quick overview of the Chime spending account, and again, if you just want to open that and use your Chime debit card just like you would with any other bank account and debit card, then that is awesome, and this is definitely a fantastic mobile banking option. But maybe you are also trying to build your credit score, but aren't necessarily comfortable with getting a credit card because you can get into a ton of debt, and it can cost you a lot of money in interest if you don't know how to use that credit card properly. Well, that's where the Chime Credit Builder Card comes in. And again, it's going to be an extension of your spending account. So the way this works is instead of you spending money directly from your spending account using that debit card, you are instead going to move that money in advance to this Credit Builder Card and basically preload the credit card with money. Then you go ahead and make your purchase just like you would with any other credit or debit card. And since you have already set that money aside, it's going to be used to basically pay off that transaction immediately. And that on-time payment is going to be reported to the credit bureaus and therefore help build your credit score. Now, I know that can get a little bit confusing because this is a really unique product that very few companies are offering. But again, if you are worried about the potential downsides of using a credit card, or maybe you just already have a Chime account and you want to also build your credit score, then this is a fantastic financial tool, in my opinion, that is going to cost you absolutely nothing. So again, the only difference between these two cards is the Chime debit card is just a regular everyday debit card that pulls that money directly out of your spending account, which is basically your checking account. Whereas the Chime credit builder card is going to be preloaded with money from your spending account or your checking account. And when you spend money on that card, it's simply going to be marked as an on-time payment, which in turn helps to build your credit score. I will also mention that the Chime Credit Builder card is completely free and has no annual fee, and there's no credit check in order to apply, so no worries there. Plus, there's no minimum security deposit, which is another key factor that sets this card apart from similar secured credit cards. Remember, a secured credit card, like the Discover It card, for example, is going to work in a similar way in that you give Discover $500, for example, and you can then spend up to $500 on that card. But the same thing goes for the Chime Credit Builder card. You can move money onto that card of $500, and then you're able to spend up to $500. However, the key difference here with the Discover It secured card and basically every other secured credit card on the market is the money that makes up your credit limit, which in our case is $500, is basically just a security deposit to make sure that you don't rack up a huge bill on this card and never pay them back. Whereas with the Chime Credit Builder card, that $500 is actually being used to pay for the transaction. So on one hand, we have a secured credit card that still allows you to rack up tons of debt and accrue interest, but on the other hand, we have what is basically a prepaid credit card where that preloaded money is being used to cover the transaction. Okay, so I know that was a lot and hopefully that made sense, but now let's enter the question that you're all probably wondering: should you use the Chime spending account debit card or the Chime Credit Builder card? Because at this point, you might think that they are very similar. Well, it's honestly going to be a personal decision, as with every financial tool, but if you ask me, both cards are free, neither of them charge you any fees at all, and neither of them allow you to charge any interest or accrue any debt. The only difference is that one of them is a regular debit card, while the other one is a really unique financial tool that basically works like a debit card, but allows you to build your credit score. So in my opinion, I would be using the Chime Credit Builder card for everything if deciding between these two options. Because if I'm paying for $20 in groceries, for example, then it doesn't matter whether that money comes directly out of my spending account, or if I move that money beforehand onto this Credit Builder card and then spend that $20 on that card. Either way, it's still $20 worth of groceries and $20 coming out of my checking account. So if you're able to qualify for the Chime Credit Builder card, which basically every Chime customer is eligible, then personally I would be putting all of those everyday regular transactions on this Credit Builder card rather than the regular debit card, because it's going to give you the best of both worlds and let you build your credit. And I'm sure some of you were probably thinking that there's better credit card options on the market that will give you cash back and all of that good stuff, and that is definitely true, but the point here is that it's safe, because there's literally no possible way to accrue interest, and there's no way to possibly stack up debt, which is largely the criticism that comes with using credit cards in the first place. Especially if you don't know how to use a credit card properly, or you typically in the past haven't used them correctly. So personally, I love the idea behind the Chime Credit Builder card, and I think it solves a problem that a lot of us face in our everyday financial lives. So if you want some more information on this really unique product, then definitely check out the full review that I did on the Chime Credit Builder card just a few weeks ago. But at the end of the day, it is always a personal decision, as with everything with your personal finances, so I would love to hear what you think of this Chime Credit Builder card down in the comment section below, and whether you plan on using the Credit Builder card or the regular debit card for those everyday purchases. As always, if you did get value out of this content and you want to help support me, it would mean a lot to me if you would hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who you think would get value out of this content as well. And of course, thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate it. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.